martial arts. I'm a martial artist. That is good. You want to be a Chinese? Hit that damn follower. Hit them nuts. If you love Jesus, comment and follow and share and subscribe and like. Oro! Agay! Natamaan ko yung pusa ko. Ay, sorry. Ito nga pala natamaan ko sa nangka ko. Wow!